how to log in into the Delta Airlines employee portal. Hey everybody, if you'd like to log in into the Delta Airlines employee portal, you can follow up the steps. So here what you can do is head over and open up your browser, and for employee portal, you can go to the search and type in deltanet.delta.com, this one right here, and hit enter, and you will be taken to the login portal, employee portal of Delta Airlines. So wait for this to load up. Here you will be taken to this section right here. Now all you gotta do is input your number here, provide in your Delta login or PPR, and right below it just go ahead and enter up your password, and then you will be finding a sign in box here. Locate and click on it, and you will be able to access the portal, and that's it. If you're having logging issues or if you've forgotten your password, look out for this trouble signing option. But in order to log in, you may just head over and follow up these simple steps. So therefore, I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and leave a comment if you have got any questions below.